Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Well, folks, there's not going to be a bee video today. It's close to the holidays. It's only 19 degrees outside. Thought I would stop out here before work and have a look to see what's happening. We have a couple of chickens outside. Well, 3 of them. Some of them are smart enough to stay in there where it's warm. That's a red heat lamp in there. But apparently 4 of them. 4 of the 6 are outside doing what chickens do. Anyways, it's 19 degrees outside. So I brought the thermal camera down here. We'll take a look at the beehives. Now, I've already done this once this morning. I came out, it was dark. I was trying to hold a flashlight, the thermal camera, and look at the bees. And it was kind of tough because, you know, I have 2 hands and one hand's holding the camera, the other the thermal camera. And it's tough for me to do it with holding the flashlight in my mouth while I was trying to do it. It was just, the whole thing was a nightmare. Anyways, it is cold. You can see that the pine needle filled bee bath is frozen solid. It is a cold, cold day here in Georgia. But because of that, all weekend I've been sitting in front of a fire, enjoying the Christmas tree and the holiday spirit. We are ready. I don't know about you. Are you ready for Christmas yet? Do you have your tree up? Got your shopping done? You got your meal planned? I can tell you what I'm going to try to cook this year. I'm going to try to cook. Now, listen, hey, I'm no Gordon Ramsay, right? But I'm going to try to cook beef Wellington. This year, I'm going to try to do something a little bit different than the old Christmas ham. Usually I do a Christmas ham, and I don't get one of those pre-cooked hams. I usually get a ham I take and I stick little cloves in it everywhere and do the deal. But this year I think we're going to eat beef and not pork. I think that's the plan for the season. But one more thing before we turn on the thermal camera. Also, I've been burning through my firewood. My firewood, I tell you what, I've gone through a lot. I mean, a lot. I still have a lot left. I have enough to get me through the season. But I've burned through a lot. But that's not what I was going to tell you. What I was going to tell you is, remember a few videos back, I told you that I'd pulled the trigger on something big. I think it was walking along the lake over there when I told you, well, it arrived. And I'll show you a picture of it arriving in the box, but I'm not going to tell you what's in it. It's up to you to guess. What do you think is inside the big box? I don't know. It's something. I'll tell you that. It is something. Anyways, let's walk over here. I guess we'll start back here and have a look to see if we can see if any of these bees are alive. Do we have any signatures? And I don't know whether or not my camera's going to be able to zoom in on that. Let's see here. That hive, well, it looks like it's got some heat around the top. So I'm going to say that there is a colony in there. Because again, it's 20 degrees outside. So if there's a heat signature, oh, they've really got a heat signature there. Yeah, that's not bad. That one we know is a dead out. This one right here, we got bees in there. We definitely have bees in there. Let's walk over here and have a gander. I've got to be mindful when I'm doing this. Okay, I see a glow, and the handles are warm. There they are. They're right there in the front. Oh, I'm looking at the camera and I'm not showing you. That's why I said I have to be mindful. I'll give that another shot so that you can see. I'll try to zoom in on it. Let me see here. It's right there. It looks like there's not a lot going on, but we come around the front, and there they are. We found them. We found them. There you go. We have bees in there. Let's go across the front row here. Trying to, yeah, we can see that we have bees there. I see a heat signature. See another one there. So they look good. This one here looks kind of dark. Well, no, I can see a glow. I can see a glow right there in the middle. Not bad. Yeah, we got a glow right there by the handles. So we know that the bees are alive in there. That's a triple layer hive there. I know that they're in there. I don't know where they are, but they're in there. We'll catch that one from the back. Or we'll try to see this side over here. Yeah, there they are. There they are. We found their cluster right there on the side. What do we have here? Oh, that's a big cluster right in there. That's taking up 2 boxes. Okay, that hive is dead. A big dead-a-roni. Oh, there's a nice cluster in there. That's beautiful. Now this is a bee barn box. I know that there's some bees in there. There they are. There we go. Move around the side. We can see that heat signature. There it is. Let's go back here to the back. See what we can see here. Oh yeah, that one's glowing. Holy moly. Okay, we know they're in there. And there's some in there. Look at that lid. Woo! It's like a spotlight on top of the hive. What do we have here? Okay, we have a cluster in there. That one's warm. And what do we have here? We have a cluster in there. It looks like the bees in this yard are doing good. Yeah, there's definitely a cluster in there. It's hard for me to get this on the camera so I can show you. But there you go. Let me put this thermal imager away and leave it at that. So there you go, folks. It is a 20-degree morning here in Georgia. The bees aren't doing much more than they're doing. They're just going to stay in there and try to keep their queens warm. And as far as staying warm, again, it's winter. It's Christmas. Hope you have a great holiday season. Stay warm in front of a fireplace if you have one. If not, you can. Bug Farmer's got a fireplace on TV. You can just look through the video library. You'll find my fireplace. I've made a fire for you. I think I have a 4K and an 8K fire that you can look at. You can enjoy the fireplace at the Bug Farmer's house, but that's not important. What's important is spending time with your family, with your friends, and being grateful. And let me tell you, those of you that have that beautiful snow up north, enjoy the snow. Listen, I get it. It's hard to drive in. It's a mess. It's cold outside, but it's beautiful. Enjoy it for what it is. I used to have snow. I lived in Ohio most of my life, and now I'm down here in Georgia, and I left the snow, and now I'm thankful every time I get to see it. Frederick Dunn puts out beautiful videos of snow, and I think he said he's going to put one out, so I'm going to look at that. I know that Brian at Castle Hives, he just put one out. So there you go. There you have it. Have a great holiday. Me myself, I'm going to get my stuff together, go to work. I still have to work this week, and I guess I will see you next time. Now, I don't know if I'm going to put a video out next week. May or may not. It is Christmas, so I want you to spend time with your family, and I'm going to do the same. But I may pop in and say hello. Maybe we'll do a live stream or something like that, just to say hello the day after Christmas and see what's going on. With all that said, be happy. Have a great day.